Hey, what is up, my FredRiders? In today's video, we're talking about the life story of my Eagle Talon. If you guys are new to the channel, like and subscribe. But pretty much for newcomers that don't follow my channel and don't keep up with videos I make, this whole channel was dedicated to my Eagle Talon, my first card I ever had when I first turned 16. And we're just gonna relive the golden moments that I had with that vehicle, the golden era, which was from when I was in high school till now that I graduated, about 3 years now in the making. It was one of the most reliable cars I ever had, even though a lot of people say it's not very reliable. It was very reliable for the days that I had it, years I had it. And what made the best thing was that it was only for $500. I bought that vehicle $500. And the only issue it ever really had was with the AC compressor, and it needed new tires, and I had to repaint it. But besides that, that's the only thing that was ever wrong with it till this year, where the transmission started to slip. You know, age, the year started to catch up to it. Transmission started to slip early last year. Luckily, that wasn't the thing that killed it. What killed it was a head gasket. If you guys haven't watched my older videos before this video, pretty much what happened was I was coming back from another town and it decided to overheat on me. The engine blew pretty much. Smoke was coming out of it, and all the coolant was just filled brownish, like that forbidden milkshake. So I ended up trying to fix it, thinking it was just a thermostat. It was a thermostat as well. A whole bunch of things just turned into one thing. You know, when it rains, it pours. So a lot of things went bad on the engine. So I decided to put it on hold and buy myself another vehicle, which will be a future video showcasing what vehicle I decided to go with and why. But yeah, right now, we're just going to relive the moments, the best highlights of the car that made this channel and got me to 183 subscribers, even though I'm not very, I guess you can call it, active in this channel, on this channel. But now we're gonna send off of a very good farewell, even though it's a sad goodbye. I will not sell it. I'm just letting everybody be clear that I will not be selling this vehicle. I will keep it, and I will rebuild the engine myself, and I will make videos out of it. I will try to make them as professional as possible so you guys can watch me doing the whole rebuild and enjoy it. So without further ado, let's relive these golden moments of the channel, the FredRider, what started it all, and we'll continue it. So this isn't goodbye, guys, but if you guys, you guys are used to it by now since I don't upload very frequently. This isn't goodbye. We're just gonna have a little reborn era with the Talon.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Alright, so we are officially putting up the car cover to protect it from any more damage and anything. Took off the license plate. Sneak peek, I bought another vehicle over there, so we'll be doing a whole different video off of that. But the future for this Talon right here, my FredRider, is that we are gonna fix it up. We're gonna take off the engine one of these days, but right now we're just gonna put a car cover that I bought from Amazon. Link will be below the description, and we're just gonna cover it up so the paint doesn't rust up anymore, or just isn't exposed to the elements. That's what we're gonna do. Right now I'm gonna take off everything from the inside just in case I have any information there, because it's gonna be covered up. So yeah, there you go. All right, so this is the last time we'll see the interior for a while. A lot of good memories here. Funny thing is, when I put the sun visors, the new ones, they glued as soon as I stopped using it, so that's kind of funny in its own way. But yeah, a lot of stuff happened in this car. When the homecoming, everything, it was a beautiful era for this car when I was driving it. Sadly, as all things in life, it must come to an end, and I didn't get to wash it or vacuum it ever again after the incident. But we're gonna bring it back better than ever. And that's a promise to myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll be commenting down below anything, any updates or anything like that. And I'm already in the process of rebuilding the engine as we speak. I'm getting all the tools that I need, all the knowledge, going on forums and everything. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, I'll explain more about it when I get more tools that I need and more getting closer to the time period of when I will rebuild it. I'm giving myself 5 years to rebuild it, but realistically, hopefully, I can get it done by maybe 2 years, a year. Who knows? It just really depends on money. Because I was looking at online, and a whole engine, like souped up performance wise, you're looking at $27,000. So yeah, that's a lot of money. but the people on the forums are telling me just to rebuild it and it'll be good again. Just make sure not to cheap out. So with everything, I'm looking probably like at 7,000, maybe 5,000, depending on how much work I put into it, and hopefully buy good parts for it, and it should last me for a very long time. So without further ado, now giving myself 2 years to rebuild it, 5 to 2 years. Hopefully, you never know, it might be sooner, it might be later, but I will not be selling it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little memento video.